All right, you guys. So I just wanted to show you the final product here and then just show you how I put this together and the tools I used. Okay, so the on-wall PVC bracket that I used was this one right here. Okay, and basically it is from Home Depot, and it pretty much is a very slim little case so that there's not many wires you can put through here. So I put like 3 max is maybe 4 wires in here, but they have to be very pretty thin wires, not very big fat thick ones. So that's something to be aware of. Now there is no sticker on the back, so what you had to do was to nail these into the wall. Okay, and they actually have a diagram on this inside part to show you how to do that. But I'll just tell you what I did here to get this first of all cut. I used basically a knife like this, stripe it, and then you can bend it a little bit to break it off. And then you'll see here that I have a vertical piece and a horizontal piece and another vertical piece up and through here. So I had to use corner braces as well. So there's one right here and then there's one right here. So once I cut it and everything, I had to punch a hole inside the plastic part, right? So what I did was I took one of these little, I don't know what you want to call it, little spears, I guess, and I went ahead and took a nail, a hammer, and boom, to create the hole. Okay. Once I did that, I took a small screw, I don't know if they're called wood screws or whatever, or wall screws. Okay, just like that. And went ahead and with the pilot hole, screwed it on and measured where each piece would go. One of the tricky parts I just have to mention if you're going to put this together is that on the corner piece, you kind of have to, this top, there's 2 pieces here. There's the top part and the bottom part, the cover and then the base part, right? What I discovered was, and just to save you time if you're going to do this, is to make sure that that corner piece will fit. The corner piece will fit right over the edge here, but also a little bit of this part. But it doesn't go directly over this front part. So I discovered it goes over the top like this, so it covers a little bit of this part and a little bit of the here. So it snaps on with this part. Take that into account when you put this together, but you'll figure it out when you get there. Overall, it's solid, it's on the wall. It covers these wires. I'll show you how many I have in here. So you could see I've got a very thin wire here. I got the power, one power, and then one HDMI cable back in here. So the HDMI, one power, and then this is for my LED light strip. They fit pretty good in here. I don't know, putting one more in there might be a little bit tight, but for the most part, I got them all in there. They're all in there, and for the most part, it looks clean and way better than having cables all over the place. This one cable, if you're wondering, is my antenna cable, so it just comes over on this side over here. But beyond that, that is how this on-wall PVC wiring, I guess wire guard works, cable management works, and so far it looks good, and it's going to stay in place. So that's what we want. It looks nice. Highly recommend this one. If you're interested in getting one, go to Home Depot and grab one yourself. That is my review. Hope you guys like this overview of how this works, how I did it. And if you did, remember to destroy the like button, subscribe button, and notification button to help the YouTube algorithm, and so that you can get future videos just like this. And we'll see you again soon. Bye.